Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, coming to you from Borla Commerce Park.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now, if you're like me, you have trouble organizing your tools or keeping them in the same place. I have kids running around everywhere, so I can't keep track of them. I've tried everything to organize my toolbox, and nothing has worked until now, because I have found Tool Lodge. And Melinda Young, you invented Tool Lodge. How did you come up with the idea?
Well, necessity is the mother of invention, and I was tasked to organize a garage, and I ran across the tool chest, and it was so disorganized that I started looking at ways to organize tool chests and found that it was difficult, that you had to trace around your tools and then cut foam with a razor knife. So I decided there needed to be an easier way. So I invented Tool Lodge. Tool Lodge is an easy way because you don't have to ever cut. It's custom made to fit your drawer, and then you lay out the tools the way you want them simply by pressing or tapping them in to make permanent impressions for storing them.
It couldn't be simpler. Who are your primary clientele?
So far, we've had a big response from aerospace and automotive manufacturers because they understand the efficiency and the benefits of having tools organized, having every tool in a place that people know where it is. It prevents losing tools. Also, in the aerospace industry especially, they're very concerned with FOD, or foreign object damage. You know, one socket left in the wrong place can have devastating consequences.
Absolutely, it becomes a safety issue. And of course, when you're a mechanic, time is money, so you want to know where your tools are at all times.
Exactly.
What kind of feedback do you get from folks who see Tool Lodge for the first time?
Well, they are amazed that it's so easy, and inclined also to value organization then when it's easy. I think the challenge for most people is getting a system in place that they can use and get used to. But I think people's first reactions most of the time is, wow, why hasn't this been invented before?
And tell me how the installation works. How do I use Tool Lodge?
The first step is to measure your drawer. It's custom made to fit the drawer that is in your toolbox that you want to arrange, or multiple. And make sure that you account for any internal rivets, tabs, or screws. And then round down to the 1/8 of an inch. Our website allows you to order a specific size that you want. Once you get it, that's when the fun begins. You get to lay the tools out. I like to do it in a drawer, like pull the drawer out of the tool chest and lay them out the way that I want them in the drawer, and then one at a time transfer them over to the Tool Lodge, pressing them and making indentations as I go.
Now we have the blue ones here. Are there other colors available as well?
We also offer a black. Samples are available on our website, and they're about 8 by 10. All Tool Lodges run about 7/8 of an inch thick, and they work best in drawers that are about 2 to 4 inches total clearance. The sizes range from about as small as you'd like, 7 by 7, all the way up to 45 by 27 inches. So it covers a good sized drawer. If your drawer happens to be wider or deeper than the 45 inches, you can use 2 units side by side, and they'll just fit right in.
Well, as you can see, our toolbox here needs a little bit of help, but Tool Lodge can make it a whole lot better, and they can make your toolbox a whole lot more organized. Check them out at toollodge.com, and a special promo is available for Motorhead Garage viewers, promo code Motorhead, when you go to their website. We shall return with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings right after this.